Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a safe senders list on Outlook. The first thing I want you to do is actually just come here on the left-hand panel and just open up your trash folder, okay? And then what I want you to do is just come here at the top right. You'll see these three dots, more commands, right? Click on that. And then you'll see under move and delete, you'll see junk. I want you to hover over this and then click on junk email options. So click on this and then you'll see safe senders. I want you to click on that. And now you can go ahead and add email addresses or domain names on your safe senders list. Okay, so go ahead and click here, add, then enter the email address or the internet domain name. You add it to the list. So these are some examples. Okay, this is an email, this is a domain. You add it, hit OK, make sure you apply, and then hit OK. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.